Hi, hello, this is your Lucky Sir. I'm back with jeemainchemistry28june second shift paper. As we know, we are discussing memory based papers. So, the question is which of the following is tagmate? Complete memory. Your paper is started with 100% memory based question, a memory based question paper with a memory based question. Okay, no other option. You need to see and you have to say. Chemistry in everyday life, if you are good, then you can answer this question. No shortcuts. If you remember, it's okay. Otherwise, just leave this. Don't worry much of this because while remembering these and biomolecules questions and all, you can revise complete organic chemistry. Don't worry if you are not sure about this question. Don't worry. In which oxo acids, sulfur, oxo acids of sulfur, both sulfur have different oxidation states. You can see H2S4O6, its structure is like this. And these two sulfur atoms. Okay. H2S2O8, H2S2O7. I will give you all the structures. One, it won't take much time. Double bond O, double bond OOH. It is called Marshall's acid, where both sulfur atoms are with +6 oxidation state. H2S2O7 is oleum, where SOS linkage is there. Above one is SOS linkage. This is SOS linkage. In this also, both are having +6 oxidation state. So the answer is H2S4O6. Actually, here you can better than this. I will give you another structure. You see, one simple structure I will give you. Yes, yes, yes. H2S4O6, where these two sulfurs are having oxidation state of +5 and these two sulfurs are having oxidation state of 0. So two different oxidation states. Fine. Then coming to the question, positively charged, negatively charged macromolecular starch. Okay, now macromolecular starch. Interesting, na? So direct. Okay, now I think that should be given as macromolecular. Then what is cheese? By seeing this, you can say cheese is gel. So you must be having a confusion about positively charged and negatively charged. So positively charged is Fe2CO3, negatively charged is CuS. So surface chemistry. Again memory. But these you can remember. Okay, now simple questions you can remember. Compound has 8% is hydrogen, 70% carbon, 16% nitrogen. Molecular mass is 160. Find the formula. एक शॉर्टकट होता है, डायरेक्टली आप इसका मॉलिक्यूलर मास देख लो. ओके, बस हो गया. अगर ऐसा नहीं हुआ, if you want to calculate, then go with the formula. First find the number of moles. 70%, 8%, 16%. Okay, 17% means number of moles we are getting is 6 and this is 8 and this is 1. So the mole ratio is 6:8:1. C6H8N. So C6H8N empirical formula mass is going to be 90. And something wrong, man. This is 160 and this is 94. Something went wrong. 12 5 is 60, 12 6 is, yes, this is right, this is right. Okay, it is not exactly taken close, that's why it is getting 12 6 72 plus 2 plus 14 72 74 74. It is not 94, sorry. Yes, no? 72 74 74 84, sorry for that. So 160 by 84 is 2. Sorry for this mistake. It is not 94, this is 84. Thank you, Vedanta, for providing these papers. Small corrections, okay, we can accept this one. You may have to accept, okay. That's a simple question, that's an easy question. What is correct about photochemical smog? ये बहुत ही बार पूछ रहा है बेटा. Okay, this question is coming repeatedly and the answer is it is formed due to the action of sunlight and hydrocarbons. Please be careful about the environmental chemistry questions. Which of the following is basic oxide? Metal oxides are basic. Calcium oxide. This is acidic, silica. Al2O3 is amphoteric. NO is neutral. So all options are given. Easy question. An ideal gas is stored in vessel of volume 416 ml at temperature 300 Kelvin and pressure 1.5 atm. What is the mass of the gas? Molecular mass of the gas is 100 gram per mole. Molecular mass is given. Directly asking question. PV is equals to weight by molecular weight into RT. Direct substitution, you will get the answer. Okay. Pressure, volume, molecular mass, R value, temperature. Direct question. PV is equal to nRT. In place of N, he has written weight by molecular weight. Simple, easy question. Calculation is there. You need to calculate because all options are very close. You need to calculate. ये बहुत ही बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है. 2.5 grams of protein taken and made 500 ml solution. Osmotic pressure of the solution is given. So pi is equal to CRT. R is known to you, temperature is given to you, pi is given to you. You need to find out the molecular mass of the compound. Pi is equals to weight by molecular weight into 1000 by V into R and T. Pi is given 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Weight is given 2.5. Molecular weight you need to find out. Into 1000 by 500 ml they made. R value 0.0821. Temperature is 300. If you solve this, you will get the molecular weight as कितना है molecular weight आ गया ये आ गया आपका molecular weight 12.2 10 to the power of 8. 12.2 into 10 to the power of 8 is the molecular gram per mole. Okay, gram per mole. And he's asking how many glycine units are there. Okay, now 1 mole glycine contains Avogadro number of units 6.023 10 to the power of 23. 1 mole means glycine molecular mass is how much? Okay, now so 1 mole means that is 1 point, just now we have calculated 12.2 into 2 into 10 to the power of 8 grams. That is nothing but 1 mole contains this much. So 2.5 contains how many units? That's why it is little lengthy, not hard but little. ये बढ़िया. This is one very memory based question, you can say. SF4 is of seesaw shape. So when this is of seesaw shape, the structure will be like this. Okay, between them angle is 120 degrees. Above this will be 90 degrees. So close to 90 and close to 120. All options are very close. Not exactly 90, so you can go with this. Not exactly 120, so you can go with this. Memory. The volume of 0.01 m KMnO4 means 0.05 normality. Acidic medium, that's why. And more salt is ammonium iron sulfate, ferrous ammonium sulfate. In that iron oxidation state will be +2 to +3. So the normality is same. So N1V1 is equals to N2V2. 20 ml. This is 0.5. This is 0.05. Same. So A 20 ml तो ये भी 20 ml होगा. 0.05 into V1 is equals to 0.05 into 20. So your answer is 20 ml. Our experts made this M1 V1 Z1 just multiplying with the factor, molarity into that factor. So कहाँ में आ गया? In the buffer solution having pH, ये थोड़ा typical question है. pH is equal to 4 because you need to find out some things here. pKa is given. When pKa is given, okay na, I think it should be Ka. pH is equal to pKa plus log of salt by acid. This is the formula. Okay, if it is Ka, you need to find out minus of log Ka, that is equal to minus of 1.3 10 to the power of minus 5. It will come as 4.85. Got it? 4.85. pH is given 4. This is given 4.85. So what is the ratio of this? You need to calculate. Okay, not very easy. Here options are, you see, 10 to the power of minus. So not so easy. You need some time. The difference is 0.8. So 10 to the power of minus 0.8. Acha question. That's a good question, you can say. Nitration of aniline with HNO3 H2SO4 gives this question. I think you have said so many number of times. Paranitroaniline 51%, metanitroaniline 47%, and orthonitro 2%. All these are found because it becomes anilinium. Okay, now I think 4-5 years back this question is asked in JEE Main. Natural form of rubber is 614 polyisoprene. Correct option. There are weak van der Waals forces giving its coil structure. This is also right option, but there is no relation. Option B. Both are correct, but that is not a correct explanation. In the extraction of copper, iron oxide is impurity. Impurity is called gangue, and it reacts with SiO2 to form slag, and SiO2 is called flux. Okay, this is acidic flux. SiO2 is acidic flux, FeO is the gangue particle, and the formed one is slag. Metallurgy. Okay, important question of metallurgy, you can say. Isobutyl reacts with K2CO3 and formaldehyde to give A reacts with HCN to give B. Hydrolysis of B gives a stable carboxyl. ये गलत है यहाँ पे. Stable anhydride you have to say. Otherwise ester, stable ester. Because the answer, all options are esters only. You see, this is an ester, this is an ester. It's an ester, this is your answer. Okay, just now I have seen this question. So, क्या होता है यहाँ पे? What's actually happening here? This is isobutyraldehyde. Okay, and then reacting with formaldehyde, this is, you can say, aldol reaction. So you got here this compound. Okay, then you are attacking with HCN, so this part will become OH and CN. Hydrolysis, this will become COOH. ये COOH है, यहाँ पे OH है, इसमें से क्वार्टर मॉलिक्यूल निकल जाएगा, and you are getting there 3-hydroxy 4,4-dimethyl hydrofuran. थोड़ा सा complicated लगता है, but not very tough question. Moderate question you can say. Organic aldehydes and ketones. The isotopes of hydrogen differ in the following property, and the answer is mass number. Okay. You know, hydrogen 1,1, protium 1,2, deuterium 1,3, tritium. X reacts with Br2H2O to give gluconic acid and reacts with HNO3 to give saccharic acid. Name of X is glucose. Direct question है. ग्लूकोज प्रॉपर्टीज में आपको पहले ही मिल जाएगा बायोमॉलिक्यूल्स में. वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. कंपैरिजन ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ वेवलेंथ्स लैम्डा एंड 3 लैम्डा. सो 3 times लैम्डा इंक्रीज्ड एंड द रिलेशन बिटवीन देम इज लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू h/√/2m ek kinetic energy. So lambda 1 by lambda 2, if you want to say, that is under root of ek2 by ek1. By simplifying this, you will get ke2 is equal to 1 by 9 ke1. Product will have how many bromine? This you see here, bromine H we are using, so this will go for allylic bromination. Allylic bromination means this part is the only chance, no other allylic position is there. So only this part will come, and that is this one. So answer is 1. How many of the following contain NN bond, N2O, N2O3? This I think there is some controversy. NN bond means nitrogen-nitrogen single bond or double bond. If he is mentioning single bond, this answer is right. If they answer any NN bond, then this is also possible. NN, okay, N2O will be having a structure like this. So NN single bond means this is right option. Nitrogen-nitrogen bond means this is also right option. And N2O5 is also, you can say N2O5 is having one structure. N2O5 will be having a structure like this. Double bond O, double single bond O. This is N2O5. So this is not possible because NON bond is there. N2O4, N2O3 is okay. N2O also contains, but that is double bond. Okay, that is double bond. Whether it is single bond or double bond, we need to see the question very carefully. Consider the following complexes: FeCN6 minus 3, NiCN4 minus 2, FeCN6 minus 4. Here you can see Fe plus 3 oxidation state, plus 3 means iron 26, 4s2, 3d6 beta. 4s2, 3d6 will become iron plus 3, 4s0, 3d5. 3d5, whatever the ligand is strong or weak, definitely at least one unpaired electron will be there. So this is 100% paramagnetic. In case of nickel, NiCN4 means it can go for dsp2 hybridization. So here dsp2 hybridization will be there. All electrons are paired, so this is diamagnetic. Here also same thing. When d6 configuration is there, definitely it will undergo d2sp3 hybridization, and this is also diamagnetic. So only one is paramagnetic. Maybe few more options may be there in that. So this is all for shift to 28th paper. Okay, now I will update the remaining papers also. Please, if you are comfortable with my explanation and all, thank you, my dear guys. There are so many plenty of explanations, plenty of concepts and all. Enjoy the chemistry classes by Chemistry Lakshma Reddy sir. Okay, na Chemistry Lakshma Reddy sir. Signing off.